This is Cyndy G, and in this video, we're assembling the Llama Kissing Booth box card. So I've got my pieces to my llama. And back, that's my insert, and this is the front. Okay, so let's go ahead and start by putting the pieces together for our sentiment on the back. You just want to center this. Okay. And we're going to fold our card on the score lines. This will just center right here. Okay. There we go. This is the frame for our window, so we'll just glue this right into place. Fits side to side, and you're just going to make sure it's over that curve. Okay. Now these little ovals are to go right behind the fives. So I'm just going to put the glue just right up against the edge of the oval. And just put that right into place. Do the same thing for the other side. You just need a very thin layer. And just put it right over it. There we go. And then this is just going to center right in here like this. Okay. Okay. Now these two hearts and these are for the front of the card. So I'm going to use some foam tape here. Cut this long ways. think I picked the wrong heart. I had several projects cut out and I picked the wrong heart that went on this one. But I'm just going to glue this right like that. Okay, and then I should have cut my backing probably in a different color because these, so this has little hearts here that you're going to glue on. And I think it would have been better if I had picked a different color. So think about that when you're cutting this. I mean, it worked out okay. I did ink the edges of my heart, so it turned out okay, but it would have been, I think, a little better to have, like, I don't know which color. I probably wouldn't have picked a color from this, maybe just black on there. I'm going to give this a little bit of pop. Oops. There. Okay, so that is the front. And now we can set this aside. Pull in the pieces for the back. We're going to start with the llama body. Now, if you want to use these accent pieces, these have turned out pretty small. I mean, they're still manageable, I think, but that will be up to you. You just have the cheeks. I want to put them on before I put the snout piece on. Just in case they wind up underneath, that's okay. You do have this accent piece. You could do that in a different color, like a light tan. I just kept it white. And then I'm going to pop up the hair. and then put on the earpieces. Okay, and then glue him on to the centerpiece. There we go. And fold your tabs. We're going to bring our base in. We're going to fold our tabs out flat and put glue on the one side. Stand it up, push it into that corner. Glue it into place. And we're going to put glue here on this tab. We're going to fold this one over and grab that. Put some glue on this tab. Make sure you have enough that it'll stay closed. Fold this over to close up our card. Whoops. Oh. Okay, that's all right. Fold it both ways, and then there is the Kissing Booth Llama card. Thank you for joining me.